Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I love camellias. The issue I have with the camellias is they do not last very long. And as soon as I see them in the spring, even though I know I shouldn't be picking them because they'll last all of 24 hours, I can't help myself. Oh, it's like a disease. But anyway, as part of the farmhouse series that we're doing here at Astar's place, I wanted to show you how by just taking a few camellias, you can have this really lovely, shabby chic, rustic, informal design. The first thing that we need is, I'll put those over there, is a watering can or a tin can or a jug. This started life white. It's far too precious for me and pristine as it was. So what I did was I just took to it with the sandpaper and then I put a little bit of dirt muddy paint around the exterior, and before it was dry I just rubbed it off, and now it's perfect for what I want to do here. On round here too I did take it off there. Right, this is perfect. Here at Floristry Botanicals, they have these lovely camellias. It's a topiary. Look how tall that is. Look, I'll just show you. Whoa, it's very tall. So, and they come in pink. This beautiful pink one, which I absolutely adore, reminds me of ballerina. And there is the white one. So what I have done is I just cut that stem off so that when it went into the bucket, or the can, it just plonked in, and I'll put that to the back because I want the flowers to the front. And I think that this design would be really lovely for the entrance to a home, on a countertop, just on a sideboard. Just beautiful, beautiful, nothing arranged, just plonked into a container. Now I also love these beautiful pink, open, fluffy camellias. So I'm going to put one into there, bring the other one over to there, and then with this one, I'm just going to take that. Oh, hold on a minute. I want that to just droop down. So everything that I've done here is I just wanted to give the illusion of gone outside, picked, plonked, place, and that is how you achieve that lovely barnyard kind of look. Now, if you wanted to take it to another level again and make it just a little bit bigger, you could go for 2. In fact, the sky's the limit. And as a general rule of thumb, to get your right proportions, it's 1.5 times the height or the width of the container, whichever is the great. So I'm 2 times higher there. Perfect. I just love it. So there you have a lovely, quick and easy design to fill a corner. And you know what? This might be nice for Mother's Day. Hope you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed sharing with you, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day. Bye for now.